Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Ollie here back again on Growing Guitar. This time we have a song called One Day. One day, like Friday perhaps. Yeah, Ollie has been here before, and the song's like Not Always Perfect, Just Got Paid, Broken Wings, and like that. I believe this song here is the best I've heard from Ollie. A great, great song. I really like this one, and it fits guitar very well. So let's look at this song here. And this is a 4-chord song. We go clean here without any capo needed here. So let's take a look at the chords like we usually do. First we have the A, so that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. We have E as the next chord here, and that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. F sharp minor, so that's a bar chord. You place the bar now on the 2nd fret over all strings like this, and then you have the added notes on the 4th fret A string and 4th D. So that's the F sharp minor. And the final chord will be a D, but with a darker version of it. We will incorporate the A in the bass as well. So what you do, you hold like this. Okay, almost looks like an E, one step up, but anyway, it is 5th on the E string, and that's where you find the darker note here, the A that supports the D beneath. And then we have the 5th on A as well, and then 4th on D. And this is basically the strings you wanna hit when you play the strumming here. And so try to avoid go down further, but I guess if you play on the G string there, the open G string, I don't think the world will collapse or so, but just try to stick with the bass strings here and keep it dark like it's supposed to be there with this chord. So that is the D, A chord, you can say. Okay, so there we have the chord progression from A to E to F sharp minor and to the D, A. All right, now finally let's take a look at the strumming pattern used for this song, because like I said, it will be played in the same way from the beginning until the very end. This strumming pattern is a pretty long one, and it covers 2 chords, so we'll split this into 2 different parts. So we'll look at the transition here from A to E, and the part 1 is played for A. It goes like this. Okay, so that is first 1 down, and then comes down, up, down, up. And that's it. So down, down, up, down, up. You don't have to go full downs and full ups like this, because this is a motion that perhaps goes in the background and you can just feel it, so to speak, and hear it. And sometimes you really play all the downs and ups, of course, but it's not that important to really hit all downs and ups very prominent like this. You can go a little bit in the background as well. So, all right, that's the first part. Then we switch to the next chord, in this case the E, and play part 2. And it will be down, up, down, up, down, down, up. So. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up. And that is part 2. And then you just apply the same principles here for the next 2 final chords here. F sharp minor is played in the same way as A, the part 1, down, down, up, down, up. And then you go to the D, A chord here and play the part 2 in the same way as the E, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. So the F sharp slowly. And then shift to the D, A and play. All right. And if you put all this together, A, E, F sharp minor, and D, A, and play it like it should be played, it could sound something like this. Alright guys, so that pretty much covers Ollie's One Day. Very, very nice song and fits guitar very well. So thank you for watching guys, we love your support, so hit me a like there or comments, and till next time, play tuned.